Alright guys, we got a little Sport Kings combo break here. E and F. Doing this as a reverse draft break. Good luck to everybody. Joey, you are number one pick here on Sport Kings E. Alright, pack number one. We've got, that's a pretty cool looking piece, Metal Gold, Kyle Petty. Should be numbered 10 or less. Metal Gold. So that's box number one. Just going to put these back in the little containers. Box two. Autograph coming. Doyle Brunson mini. And auto is Doyle Brunson. Nice hit. Silver. Texas Dolly. And Dickie V. That's box two. Box three. Didi Jean-Rowe mini. And Martina Navratilova autograph. Silver. That's box three. Box four. Mark Wells mini and Jackie Stiles, excuse me, Julia Stiles. Jackie Stiles. Jersey autograph, silver. Box number five. I got a Man O' War. That's a gold mini, numbered to 3. Gold mini, Man O' War. And it's a cool looking piece there too. Kyle Petty, sheet metal autograph, silver. Oh boy. Next, we got a silver mini in this one. Don Budge. That's SP to 7. And Jersey, Texas Dolly, Doyle Brunson, silver. Box number 7. Cut. Masters. Very cool. Gary Player. Masterful cut signatures. 1 of 1. One of 1 Gary Player cut signature. Sweet. Next. Gino Bartali, mini. And another golf piece, Annika Sorenstam. Shirt autograph, silver. Box number 9. Gail Sayers mini and autograph Steve Cauthen. Jockey. All right, and our last box, the E portion. It's another autograph. We'll finish with, not bad, David Robinson. Jersey autograph. Thanks, man. Alrighty, that'll do it for the E portion. Guys, go ahead and draft away. Joey, on the clock. No more picks you, buddy.